Actor Rajinikanth has come out in strong support of his Kollywood colleague Ajit this morning. Breaking his silence on the ongoing controversy of arm-twisting actors, the superstar said, nobody should force actors to participate in public events. He said that it is not acceptable and he said he will not encourage it. Rajini said that Ajit's sentiments have been hurt by some people in the film industry and that is not easy for a person to express those feelings before the Chief Minister. He congratulated Ajit for his bold move. He met the Chief Minister this morning to invite the family for his daughter's wedding.
இல்ல அவர் உண்மையை பேசினாங்க அவர் சில பாதிச்சிருக்காங்க அந்த பாதிப்பு அவ்வளவு தைரியமா எல்லாரும் முன்னால சிஎம் முன்னால சொல்றது சாதாரண விஷயம் அவ்வளவு பெரிய ஒரு சபையில அவர் சொன்ன அந்த உண்மை அந்த ஒரு தைரியத்துக்கும் என்னுடைய உண்மையான பாராட்டுகள் இல்ல டெஃபினெட்லி இல்ல நான் அதை என்கரேஜ் பண்ண மாட்டேன் சரி நீங்க சொல்லணும் யாருமே எதுலுமே கட்டாயப்படுத்தக்கூடாது யாருமே எதுலயும் கட்டாயப்படுத்தக்கூடாது அவளுடைய எதுவும் நீங்க சொல்லலாம் கட்டாயப்படுத்தி பண்றது ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்றது அது சரியில்லை நாகரிகமும் இல்லை அது ரொம்ப நல்லா அஜித் சொன்னாங்க டெஃபினெட்லி நான் அதை ஆமோதிக்கிறேன்.
In fact, actor Ajit himself met Chief Minister Karunanidhi as well at his residence today, and he said it was just a courtesy visit and he's not under pressure to react.
I'm very grateful to superstar Mr. Rajinikanth for having voiced his opinion in my favor. But this meeting is a very casual, it's a courtesy call on the Chief Minister.
Meanwhile, President of South Indian Artists Association Sarath Kumar reacted to the ongoing Ajit's controversy.
If he has got a specific complaint against somebody who has used certain statements or coerced them into certain personal purposes, it is for him to explain. That is also his part. The responsibility lies in explaining yourself very clearly. You should come out and say who has coerced who, in what way you felt coerced, and you have been coerced to make a statement. And then I would say nobody should be coerced to make a statement, and I don't think everybody is mature enough to understand what is the problem and come up with a statement. So I don't think coercion is there everywhere. If coercion is there, we should specify and say